Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey there, Carhelpout here. A simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the most common problems with the 2017 Toyota Highlander SUV. Whether you're considering buying one or already own this popular midsize SUV, knowing what to look out for is crucial. Stick around because at the end, I'll share our automotive-inspiring car quote of the day. Let's get started. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Let's explore the 2017 Toyota Highlander, a popular midsize SUV. It boasts a spacious interior, perfect for families. 3 rows of seating, smooth ride, and hybrid options. Sleek design with a bold grille and stylish headlights. Generous cargo space, expandable by folding rear seats. High-quality interior with user-friendly infotainment. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control. Despite its strengths, it has common problems.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about transmission problems. Many drivers report rough shifting and hesitation. Software updates can help. Check if your vehicle is up to date. Severe issues may need dealership visits. Regular maintenance is key. Low or dirty fluid causes problems. Stay on top of these issues for a smoother drive.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Next up, engine oil consumption. Some owners have reported their vehicles consuming more oil than expected, which can lead to engine damage if not addressed. Excessive oil consumption can be caused by worn piston rings, valve seals, or a faulty PCV valve. Regularly monitor the oil level using the dipstick and check for any visible leaks around the engine bay. Use the recommended grade of engine oil and stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. If your vehicle is still under warranty, contact your dealership to discuss potential repairs or replacements. By addressing engine oil consumption issues early on, you can prevent more serious engine damage.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 4. Infotainment System. Glitches. The infotainment system on the 2017 Highlander has been known to have its moments. Owners have reported issues such as the touchscreen freezing, unresponsive buttons, and connectivity problems with smartphones. In many cases, these issues can be resolved with a simple reboot of the system. Check for any available software updates for the infotainment system. If the problems persist, visit the dealership for a more thorough diagnosis. Keep your smartphone's operating system up to date to avoid compatibility issues. By staying on top of these potential glitches, you can ensure a smoother and more enjoyable experience.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 5. Brake performance issues. Common issues include squeaking noises, reduced performance, and premature wear. Unusual noises are a sign of brake issues. Reduced performance can be caused by air in the brake lines or low brake fluid. Have your brakes inspected by a professional mechanic. Regular maintenance ensures your Highlander's brakes remain in top condition. Stay on top of brake maintenance for a safer driving experience.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 6. Hybrid-specific problems. The 2017 Toyota Highlander Hybrid offers excellent fuel efficiency, but comes with its own set of potential issues. One common problem is a decrease in battery performance over time. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for battery maintenance, including keeping the battery charged and avoiding deep discharges. In some cases, it may be necessary to replace the hybrid battery if its performance has significantly declined. The complexity of the powertrain system can make diagnosing and repairing problems more challenging. If you experience any unusual symptoms, have the vehicle inspected by a technician with experience in hybrid systems. By staying proactive with maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits of hybrid technology without the headaches.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 7. Wind Noise and Cabin Comfort. Some owners have reported hearing wind noise at higher speeds, particularly around the doors and windows. To address wind noise issues, check the weather stripping around the doors and windows. Replacing worn weather stripping can significantly reduce wind noise and improve cabin comfort. Adding aftermarket wind deflectors or adjusting the position of the roof rails can help minimize this issue. Check for any loose trim pieces or accessories that could be causing additional noise. By taking these steps, you can enjoy a quieter and more comfortable ride.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Chapter 8. Recalls and Fuel Pump Issues. Toyota issued recalls for fuel pump issues in some Highlanders. Symptoms include engine stalling, difficulty starting, and reduced power. Check if your vehicle is affected by any recalls and have the necessary repairs performed as soon as possible. Visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website and enter your vehicle's VIN to find out if your Highlander is subject to a recall. If your vehicle is affected, contact your local Toyota dealership to schedule a repair. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your 2017 Toyota Highlander in top condition. By staying informed and addressing issues promptly, you can enjoy many years of dependable service.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And there you have it, the most common problems with the 2017 Toyota Highlander and how to address them. With a little proactive care, this SUV can still provide years of dependable service. Before we go, here's today's automotive-inspiring car quote of the day. A car isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a key to endless adventures. Treat it well, and it'll take you anywhere you want to go. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about your experience with the 2017 Toyota Highlander. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.